description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans yet again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got something rather unique from China. SiChuan Guangyou with their take food material. Yeah. So, this one's particularly strange, so let's get right to it, and it takes a little while. Alright, so we need the food material to take. Here is the food material. And we're going to take the lid off of the food material. Here's the noodle. It looks to be a, what do you call it? It is a thread of sorts. And it looks interesting. I don't know how this is gonna be. This might be like really neat and then really horrible, or really neat and really good. I'm hoping on the latter. So L-A-T-T-E-R. I'm not on a ladder. I know I'm not on a ladder. This will go in after the steeping. That's powder. That is powder. This, okay. It comes with a fork. You know, I used to save the forks. There is a included fork section on www.theramenraider.com. And I stopped doing that because I couldn't even imagine how many forks I would have by now. Okay, so now, whoops, we put this in as well. God, I hope I opened that all right. I did, good. So this is all vegetable, or as it is known in other places, vegetables. There's a lot of them in here. Wow. So this goes for 6 minutes. I'm starting the timer. Alright. And it looks to... Whoa. There is a lot of food material in here, folks. Whoa, what is that? Taro? I don't know. But it will steep for 6 minutes, and then we'll drain it, we'll add all the other stuff into it, and we will give it a go. Wow, there's a lot of food material. A whole lot of take food material. We found this at S-Mart over in beautiful Bellevue, Washington. I heard recently somebody from Virginia, because they liked a certain variety of Taiwanese noodles so much. I don't know that they came over to this area specifically just to get these noodles. Not these, but a different brands. But they were like, I was over there and I actually went to that place and they didn't have them. I'm like, whoa, you're hardcore. Speaking of hardcore, we do have a little bit of time, and I wanted you to see something that I got for my birthday. And I don't know that I've messed with it since my birthday. This is called an automaton. And it's a weird little instrument. Let's turn it on. Let's see when you... We can have some music we can play along with. Maybe we can do classical. You can change the octave and the volume. Right? Yeah, maybe it needs metal. Here, this might help you. You can know how far to fast forward to make it stop. Okay. What about... I don't know, it's fun. What about the highest octave? My phone's making notifications telling me to stop. But anyways, there. Isn't it cool? I like it. They make a bigger one too. Kind of want to get the bigger one as well. I don't know though. I think annoying my entire all my friends and family with making that noise even on a larger scale. What's cool too is the bigger one has an audio out, and I have these little Korg mini analog. Are they analog? I don't know if they're analog, but they're little mini ribbon synthesizers. So I could run that through a delay, and it's the micro delay, and there's another one. But then I could make it even more shrill. And, you know, didn't I? Did I? Didn't I? There we go. Yeah. Son of a... That is what I'm freaking doing today. I am going to deal with the under here thing, because it is a pain in the butt. And I'm going to take this, I'm going to throw this under there as well. Hey, there's that. All right. Look at that. Look at me. Give me a sandwich. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So this, I guess, is done, and it's time for us to take our food material and drain it. So we've drained our food material. Wow, there is a lot of veg in this, folks. Like, come here. No, come here. Look. That's a lot of stuff in there. So we're going to add all this stuff in and all that liquid, and we're going to make it happen. Okay. This could be absolutely horrible. This could be fascinating. This could be bad. We'll just see. There's another. It smells. I was going to say it smells good. It's like, well, it does smell. I really don't know what this is supposed to be. I think it's going to end up being very SiChuan spicy, because that's really common. But here's the liquid. I don't think it's hot and sour spicy or anything like that. It could be, but I don't think it is. No, this smells very, let me just straight mala. Now here's the tricky part, is tossing all this. This is freaking weird, folks. All these potato chips. It's like they made potato chips. But I guess, you know, you just got to take it. It's food material. I have no idea what this is going to be like. That's like my favorite thing, is trying new stuff. But this is like really strange. We kind of thought maybe it was going to be one of those instant ones that has the self-heating. I don't do those anymore. Every time I've done those, I've gotten just like wretched, lower, yeah, I've gotten a bad feeling from them. Alright, it smells good. I'm going to say that much. Here's our taro? I don't know. It's not bad. It's very salty. I've been assaulted by salt. It does just seem like slices of potato. Very salty. Okay, come back. I just want that little bit of it. Wowie. If you like salt, this is where you really belong, in Salt City. Wow. Just freaking violently salty. It's very interesting. What would I recommend to do to it? I don't know, it's really salty. And it does have a definite Szechuan pepper thing going on big time here. It's time to plate this thing with the food material. I am just like absolutely fascinated by this product. I mean, I really don't know what to say about it. It's not bad, but it's just too damn salty. There, scallion. What else would I add to this? Not more of those thin potato pieces, that's for sure. I'll add some sesame seed. Yeah, I'm truly fascinated by this food stuff. But do I take food? Do I take the food material? No. Is it horrible? No. There. Rotato, do your thing. Don't worry, I'll be back. Take food material, I don't know, but that's it for me for today. There'll be some delightful new things tomorrow. I might start off with something from Taiwan. We'll see. Yeah. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.